Let's be honest, for a lot of us developers, UI is the part of the project we dread the most. You spend weeks coding a great combat system or designing a beautiful map, and then you slap a gray rectangle on top of it because making custom buttons, health bars, and inventory screens that actually match your game style is surprisingly hard. That's why we just added a dedicated Generate UI tool to Pixel Lab. This isn't just about generating a random image of a menu. This tool is built to create modular, game-ready assets. Today, we're going to put it to the test. I'm going to try to build an entire UI asset pack for a cozy fantasy RPG from scratch in under 10 minutes. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the new setup. Inside the Create Image category, you'll now see Generate UI New. There are a few key fields here that make this different from standard generation. Description, obviously, where we say what we want. Concept image. If you have a sketch or a reference vibe, you can drop it here to steer the style. Color palette. This is crucial for UI. If your game uses a color list, paste it here so your buttons match your background. Remove background. Always keep this checked for UI assets. It saves you hours of deleting white backgrounds later. Okay, let's start with the foundation, the main menu and panels. I'm making a cozy RPG, so I want something wood, gold, and maybe some magical accents. Okay, check this out. It didn't just give us a generic box, it gave us a whole vibe. We got the wood texture, the gold accents, and these cool purple crystals. It even gave us a mascot dog. And the best part? Because we checked transparent background, these aren't baked into a white square. These are floating. I can drop this into Unity, Godot, or any engine, and I have my main menu done in literally one click. But a menu isn't a game. We need a HUD. We need health bars and mana globes. If I just ask for a red health bar now, I might get a sci-fi style or a different shade of wood. I'm taking the menu we just made and using it as the concept image. Now Pixel Lab knows. Use this exact wood grain. Use this exact gold palette. For the prompt, I keep it simple. Health bar. Now let's see what we got. That's pretty nice. Now let's try. Blue mana globe. The concept image handles the style. Look at that. It didn't invent a new style. It expanded the one we already have. I need a map. I'm not describing wood or gold. I just type round mini map frame. Pixel Lab sees the menu style and fills in the blanks. It knows round frame means wooden round frame with gold trim. Now for the boss. I just type boss health bar, skull detail. It nailed the skull, but it kept the cozy palette. It looks like a boss from this specific game. We need a place for the story. Dialogue box, portrait frame. Done. All matching the same visual language. Stardust Chronicles is ready to ship. We let the concept image do the heavy lifting so we could focus on the features. The Generate UI tool is live in Pixel Lab right now. Go make some games, tag us on Discord when you do, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.